Hello friends, welcome back to Cooking Stories. Today we are going to prepare a very famous Hyderabadi dish, Bagara Baingan. So get ready and let's start cooking. In a pan, take around 1 tablespoon of oil, half teaspoon fenugreek seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon sesame seeds, around 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 clove, 1 cardamom, 1 small cinnamon stick, 2 tablespoons of peanuts, 1 teaspoon poppy seeds, and 2 tablespoons of dry grated coconut. Now we will saute it on medium flame till coconut turns light brown in color. Once done, grind it into a paste by adding little water into it. In a separate vessel, heat around 3 tablespoons of oil. Once oil is hot enough, we will start adding our brinjals into it. Make sure the brinjals are slit on both sides like this. We need to use small brinjals known as baby brinjals. These are little larger ones, but try to get as small as possible. Now we will shallow fry it on both sides till it turns little tender and light brown in color. Make sure the brinjals are not wet, else oil will start spilling out. Close the lid as soon as possible if that happens. In between, turn over the brinjals so that it gets cooked on all sides. Once done, keep them aside. In the same vessel with remaining oil, we will add 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, 3 small bay leaves. Once mustard seeds start to pop, we will add few curry leaves, 2 green chilies slit into half, 1 big onion grinded into a paste, tomato puree prepared with 2 tomatoes. Now saute it for around 2 to 3 minutes till its raw smell goes away. It's been 2 minutes. Now we will add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 tablespoons of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin seeds powder. Give it a good mix. Now we will add the grinded paste which we prepared earlier into it. Mix it nicely. Now we will add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Mix all the ingredients well and we will cook it till oil starts seeping out. It's been few minutes and oil has started seeping out. Now we will add around half cup of tamarind water. For this we took a lemon-sized tamarind and soaked it in half cup of water and squeezed the juice out of it. Now we will add around 1.5 cups of water which we have poured over the remaining grinded paste bowl itself. Stir it well. Now we will start adding our fried brinjals into it. Give it a good mix so that the brinjal is coated well with the curry. At this moment, you can check for salt and if needed, you can add more into it. We are adding around half teaspoon of more salt. Mix it well and close the lid. Now we will cook it on low flame for around 10 minutes. Stir it in between. And finally, after 10 minutes, we will add few coriander leaves, Close the lid and switch off the flame. Serve it hot and enjoy it with a bowl of rice or biryani. If you enjoyed watching our videos, do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified for our future videos.